Hey there, thanks for tuning in. I'm ready and today I'm with the folks at the Mobilist, reviewing the Robooter X40 mobility scooter. My first impression? Sleek, streamlined, everything about this design goes beyond what you'd expect from a typical mobility scooter. I couldn't wait to hop on and take it for a spin. The controls? Super easy. The X40 doesn't just stroll, it cruises. And yes, there's cruise control, a fantastic addition for the real adventurers out there. And check out the all-new-wheel system. Not only is it futuristic in design, it also makes tight corner maneuvers feel effortless. It gets cooler. The X40 has this neat, space-age looking fold-up mechanism. Just watch. Convenient and surprisingly compact. Do it right from your phone with the Bluetooth app. This app is a game changer if you ask me. With the app controls, the scooter can even come to you. How neat is that? The X40 doesn't just impress with its tech, it's packed with thoughtful features. Most mobility scooters on the market force users to enter from the front. With the ability to raise the X40's arm, side entry is possible. This eliminates awkward pivots and potential injuries. Safety is no afterthought here. From the novice mode for beginners to backup noises, SOS features, the X40 really goes the extra mile here. Check out this rear lighting, keeping you visible in dark settings. You also go from 0 to fully charged in just 4 to 6 hours. Given its standout features, it's no surprise this Robooter Powerchair is bagging global awards. And as far as post-purchase support, you're going to see the Mobilist is #1 in customer service, #1 in warranty, and #1 in trust. Overall, if you're seeking an intelligent mobility scooter that's also stylish and an accelerating ride, the X40 is a great investment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Reach out, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.